Microsoft Azure AZ-103. How difficult is Azure AZ-103? Microsoft Azure AZ-103 Functions is the missing link for individuals thinking about cloud computer IT areas. Not everybody nowadays wants to have a career in a mainstream traditional job. The area of alternating education and learning has created a lot of buzz around itself. Examination AZ-103 is extremely demanding, and passing it requires proper prep work. Unlike some previous tests, this is practically impossible to pass without having a mutual understanding of Azure basics, which subsequently requires a strong structure in the related innovations. The AZ-103 Microsoft Azure Administrator certification tests examinations and verifies your proficiency as an Azure Administrator. The Microsoft Azure AZ-103 Administrator Qualification Test is geared towards Azure Manager candidates that handle cloud services that cover calculation, networking, storage, safety, and other cloud capabilities within Microsoft Azure. These prospects need to have a deep understanding of each service across the complete IT lifecycle, including framework solutions, applications, and atmospheres. They will also have the ability to make recommendations on services to us for ideal efficiency as well as range, including provision, dimension, monitor, and change Azure resources. Microsoft Azure is recognized as one of the leading cloud computing platforms. Beginning with the 1st of May 2019, Microsoft has retired AZ-100 and also AZ-101 and changed it with AZ-103, Microsoft Azure Manager Qualification. About Microsoft Azure AZ-103 certification. Microsoft Azure AZ-103 certification is an opportunity to prove the expertise of cloud concepts, Azure services, Azure work, security as well as personal privacy in Azure, in addition to Azure prices as well as support. Azure certifications path. These are 3 Azure certifications path. Fundamental level certification, associate level certification, expert level certification. Obtaining certified for a Microsoft credential would most definitely be an extra pair of hands for you to get better work possibilities in the field. The Azure qualification will establish you aside from a bulk of IT workers and will increase your cloud computing intelligence. Significance of Microsoft Azure training in 2021. Microsoft Azure AZ-103 accreditation is an opportunity to show the expertise in cloud ideas, Azure services, Azure work, safety, and security as well as privacy in Azure, along with Azure rates and also assistance. Candidates need to know the general modern technology concepts, consisting of principles of networking, storage, calculate application support, and application advancement. These are the benefits of Azure certification. Obtaining an accredited for a Microsoft credential would most definitely be an additional pair of hands for you to improve work opportunities in the field. Azure accreditation will set you beside a bulk of IT workers and will increase your cloud computer intelligence. Azure is fantastic when it incorporates with cross-breed cloud and also Microsoft's stack of items. Your accreditation aids you to come to be a remedy engineer or an Azure manager or developer too. This qualification helps you in the employing procedure and at the promotion time. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Microsoft Azure AZ-103 training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Azure training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Azure training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/